This is the device I used in this video. Wi-Fi Repeater. The device has 4 antennas. You place it near your computer or phone during setup. In this case, I'm using a computer. You can use your phone if you want. On your computer, scan for surrounding wireless networks. You will find a wireless network named Repeater. You connect to it. It doesn't require a password. After the connection is complete, you are redirected to a setup page. If the setup page doesn't appear, you can access the device using its IP address. In the browser's address bar, enter the device's IP address. 11.1. Next, set up the repeater. Scanning access point. Enter the wireless password of the original access point. 12345678. Finish. You wait about 30 seconds for it to complete. The above are the steps to set up a 4-antenna range extender. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Scan surrounding wireless networks. The new wireless network has a name with the extension EXT. The repeater's password is the same as the original access point's password. Connected. Check the results. Check your internet connection using the ping command. YouTube. Internet connection successful.